Doing another one. Okay, so sorry if you hear a dog in the background. This is another knife unboxing. No, I'll fill you guys in 2 seconds. I need to get this packing actually off. 2 things in this box, but only one of them is for this channel. The other one is just a book I wanted to read. So, yeah. Okay. So there's that book. Fork the Witch and the Worm. I actually want to see how many pages it is, because people were calling this a novella instead of an actual book. No, 280. That's a novel, not a novella. Novellas are under 200 pages and under 30,000 words. That's a novella. Okay. This is what we're unboxing today, though. So, oh, it does have a pouch. Okay. This is an S-TEC knife. It's an okay strap. This is a big knife. I expected to have to use this. This is my Gerber Koto. Decent knife. Alright, let's get this open. Alright. Unlike last video, this time I'm going to remember and put the link in the description. This knife. Give me 1 second, I'm going to flip the camera. This is a much heftier knife than I expected it to be. I just got some oil on it. I'm going to try and rub some of that off. I'll have to get a paper towel on there later. Okay. The clip is okay. The handle is aluminum. Again, the clip might not be the best in the world. Neither is the pouch, but I'll probably carry it in the pouch. So I bring my pockets for this and a CRKT that I prefer to use. Yeah, so let's get it open for you guys. Man, that sounds good. I'm going to do that so you guys can see it better. More oil. Alright. So, this is 3CR13 metal, or 3CR13 stainless steel, so it's not the best in the world. It won't hold an edge super well, but it will sharpen that edge up really well. See? Now, it's not the sharpest thing in the world out of the box. I'm just gonna do it quick. Oh, no, it's pretty good. Passes the hair test. Yeah, so I left my paracord and paper inside again, so I'll have to transition inside to get the paper and paracord test. Let's check the lock really quick. Okay, so pretty good. It's not going anywhere. Yep, pretty good. Man, that's a big knife. It's not legal for me to conceal carry here. I can open carry it, but I can't conceal carry. That's fine though. Yeah, let's go inside and do the cut tests. Okay, I'm going to do a few quick cut tests with this knife. Starting with some 550 cord. Oh, that was really, really easy. Yep, that's good. Alright. I'm not very good with these. I think it's doing good. Alright, yep, this good. Definitely better than that S-TEC knife. Getting some of the oil. Alright, so overall rating, I'll give it a... Oh, I'm going back. I'm giving the S-TEC knife a 2 out of 10. It's not held up. So this one, I'll give this a 6. Yeah, 6. Just because it's not the best metal, and it's very, very large and very, very heavy. But yeah, alright. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like if you haven't done so already. Be sure to subscribe, and just realize the lighting for this must be terrible. See you back next time. See you, YouTube.